So you can write what? You can write brochures, and you can click on the search. Okay, you can find a lot of brochures, some of them for science, some of them for food, some of them for business, some of them for information, and a lot of different ones. You can find more here. There's 51. Okay, there's more template. So if I want to design a brochure about information brochure, I can say like this. Okay, I can say okay, create this brochure. I can say now, let's say create a brochure. This brochure is having 3 pages. Okay, so I can say here the organization name, University of Technology and Applied Science Library, for example. Okay, you can make the font smaller to see the other things if you want. Okay, you can put here phone number if you want, or anything like that, or I can put anything. You can see put here something called, okay, I can put here about majors, for example. Okay, I can say in this college we offer 3 majors in engineering, business, and I'm gonna fix the language. Okay, business and information technology. Okay, okay. In each major there are some sub majors. Okay, for more information contact registration, something like that. I can add some picture here, so I can go and say okay, insert online picture. And so you can search for it, or you can copy it from Google like that. You can copy the image and come back here and put it right here, paste, and I can make it smaller or larger. It's up to you. So this is the a 3 pages brochure that contains some information. Now the other side of the page, you can click on the second page and you can add some more text here. So it's going to be like a book that when it's printed, you can find more information about it. This is the back side of the third page. When you try to print it or save it or export it as a PDF, you can see how it looks like. For example, okay, let's see how it looks like. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, it's gonna go look like this. It's gonna be printed in one page and folded like a book, a small box. So this is the brochure. This brochure, you can go back to the page design, okay, and you can click on change design. You can also change the design to another design if you want. Let's say that I want to design it in different way. So I'm gonna choose this colors or this color or whatever color you choose, and you say okay, I'm gonna apply this on the current, and you can see the whole things will be changed. Is that so? This is the first page. looks like different. You can update it now. You can here change. So you can update here all the information about the organization. You can update something like that, registration service, and you can add some information. In the second page, you can add more information about it. You can change the colors. You can choose any schema that you want. To see this picture, I can change it to another picture if you want. You can have it like different picture. You can delete it. You can move it. Whatever you want. You can copy it, like put it in here as well. So like that, for example. Okay, you can send it to the back and change the picture to be to the back. So the layout should be in the back, and it looks like that. Okay. And you can change any picture. You can change any picture in the diagram. I can change this picture to another picture. I can change this picture. You can insert a shape or anything that you want right here. Okay, so you can insert anything that you want to feel like make the design looks good. This is how we design a flyer. If you want to do another flyers like for the food, for example, you can go and say new brochure. You can go and search again for the brochure. Okay, and then just write it correctly, and then you can search for the brochure. And if I want to design for a food, I can choose this one, for example, and I'm going to say create. Okay, and that will create a brochure for the food. Okay, so I have a restaurant. I can say Mondel, um, like food service or food delivery or something like that. Okay, you can change the picture, like put a sandwich here. So you can say I'm gonna change the same picture here. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna actually remove this picture, change it somehow. Yeah, I'm gonna change it. Okay, online picture. I can say burger. I can choose any picture burger that I want, like this one, for example. Let's say, yeah, just any picture. It will be downloaded and will be in here. So I can put them on top of each other like that. Okay. And I can go to the second page and change to on the food. And you can say be healthy like this, something like that. You can put the first header, for example, salad or Italian salad. That you can say here, enjoy the most healthy salad on the Italian way. It includes good flavor of veggies, carrot, sauce, and you can add more and more and more on it. Okay, you can add a lot of things like that. Okay, you can write more and more about it. So I'm gonna just copy that and paste it again and again and again, like that. Okay, You can put the other title header too. You can put here soups. Okay, variety of soup starting from traditional soup and so on. Okay, so you can see it. So if you wanna export it as a PDF, okay, you can see it as a PDF if you want. This is a PDF, and you can go okay, or you can say for printing, save for printing, okay, or you can say for commercial printing. Commercial printing is different. It's contain color, okay. So I'm gonna say for commercial printing, for example, let's say PDF and publisher. I want both these files. So let's say both of them, and I say okay, back and okay, and then I say okay. They ask me to burn it on somewhere, so I don't want to burn it. Okay. Then I'll show you how it looks like as a PDF, so you can have a look at it. Now this is how it looks like as a PDF. Okay. This is how it looks like, exactly as you designed it. Exactly as you designed it. You can change the colors, you can change the pictures here to another pictures if you want. They are separate pictures. Okay, I can remove this pictures from here. I can delete this picture like that. I can say, okay, this picture is really change the picture to another picture. Let's say a drink. Okay, drink, for example, like that. I can add this picture instead. Okay, yeah, like that. I can change this picture to another picture. Like change the picture. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to salad, and this is how it looks like. Okay, you can add another picture if you want. If you want another picture here, you can go and say, okay, I'm gonna add a picture right here, for example. So you can say, or you can insert like this oval like that. You can insert a picture inside it. Okay, you can say, okay, insert picture from online. I'm gonna say Oman food. You can, let's say, I'm gonna insert this one here, for example, insert. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, I'm gonna crop and cut unnecessary pages and make it smaller and smaller. Yeah, and then after that I can reduce the size and make it like that. Okay, you can change the shape that looks like and make it like that, and it's become inside the circular. Okay, so you can change, you can do whatever looks better to make it a better design. You can change even this picture if you want. Okay, you can put a background if you want to put a light background like that. Okay, you can also change the design template. Choose a different design. This is different one. This is different one. This is a different one, and so on.